guys. I'm gonna go try some beach fishing this morning. See if we can't catch any some snook or whatever else is in the trough. We're gonna try. Come on, Luke. Got my son with me. Got my brother, my dad, friend. So let's try it. A little rough there, huh, guys? Hey, dude. Morning. Hi, guys. You ready to catch some fish?
Hey, Jeff, I need eyes.
Looking a little rough out there in the trough. See anything else? Let's go back down where we'll pop up that. Come on. Lucas. What? Huh? Oh yeah, look, Jeff. The birds are diving over there. Let's go further down. The birds are diving over there. Gotta be bait over there. Jeff over here trying to catch a bait fish, not doing too well. What you doing there, Pops? Can't catch a little fish?
I can't catch that one.
I think you need some help.
What's up, Lucas? Lucas, say what's up. Lucas, catch a fish for a pop-up. Wow, what a campeón. Oh, really?
County ordinance, subject to arrest.
Oh, okay.
I'm not here to arrest you. We get a complaint, we gotta investigate it.
Got him.
All the
Okay.
fishing gear, you can fish 24 hours a day. You can
I got him.
Okay. All right, no problem.
Damn, no way.
Somebody grab.
I don't want to drown him. He's my son.
Somebody grab the
I'll grab the bucket.
bucket.
What the fuck we gonna do?
We'll go to Hollower. We'll go to the inlet. Fuck it. Truck.
One of these guys is paid
Got a complaint. Sorry guys, no fishing here. County ordinance, subject to arrest. I'm like, all right, bro, it's not that serious. Come on, Bubba. Let's go. Okay, guys, so the fishing wasn't a success. Too rough, too much seaweed, and we got kicked out by the police. So there you have it. That was our morning of snook fishing gone wrong. Peace out. See you on the next one.